We all strive to be more focused, productive, and healthy at work. And we know that having the right ergonomic office chair helps achieve this. But what about the rest of your workstation? Let's ask the expert, ergonomist and osteopath Andrew Wilson.
An ergonomic chair is important, but it's not helpful if you're not using it correctly. Let's go through the steps required to set up an ergonomic workstation.
Adjust your chair. An ergonomically designed chair will be comfortable to sit on with no pressure points. It will be easily adjustable so that you can have good lumbar and pelvic support. The backrest should follow the natural contours of your spine. Step number 2 is to find your sitting position. With your feet flat on the floor, have your knees lower than your hips so your thighs are angled downwards. To get technical, the optimum angle is with your thighs sloped 5 to 10 degrees forward and your trunk sloped 5 to 10 degrees backward. This allows your spine, pelvis and hips to be supported in a neutral posture where they're naturally balanced. Step number 3 is to adjust your desk. Desks are often a fixed height which may not suit you. Try and use a height adjustable desk. This will allow you to adjust the height to a position where you can sit with your feet flat on the floor and your desk at elbow height. Step number 4 is to adjust your keyboard and mouse. The keyboard and mouse should be set at elbow height with the forearms parallel to the floor and the arms alongside the body with 10 to 12 centimeters of forearm support in front of the keyboard. Overreaching to the mouse is a common problem. Chair arms can assist in forearm support as long as they are fully adjustable and don't impede access to the desk. Step number 5 is to adjust your screen. The screens should be centered around the midline, with the screen toolbars level with the eyes and the working area of the screen about 10 degrees below horizontal. This allows our eye muscles and our head and neck posture to be in their most balanced positions. Step number 6 is to use accessories. Intensive users may prefer an ergonomic keyboard and mouse. Use headphones or a headset for phone calls to free up your hands for multitasking. Document holders for paper-based tasks assist with good posture. Step number 7 is to move. Even optimum posture requires regular activity and variation to keep your body healthy. We have a tendency to slouch after long periods of sitting. You should also aim to have regular activity periods at least every 30 minutes. This benefits circulation and keeps the muscles and joints moving, allowing them to be regularly refreshed.
Buro seating is designed to enhance your comfort, support and optimal well-being. Sit well, live better.